you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support. What's going on, guys? Of course, we're back with another video. This time we're doing something different. I don't know what to call this series, what I'm doing. But I'm gonna read y'all stuff. I ain't gonna tell y'all where I got it from. I ain't gonna tell y'all too many details other than I'm gonna read it, and you can tell me what you think down below. I'm just here to get a message. That's all I'm doing. So I'm giving a message, and y'all let me know what y'all think in the comment. It may sound true, may sound like it's a little bit over the top. But we're gonna go ahead and roll with it. You know, so I'm gonna go ahead and read this. Y'all bear with me. All right. The topic is car audio ruined my life. All right, I ain't gonna tell you the name or nothing like that. So I'm just gonna keep all that discreet as much as I can. And that way, y'all just elaborate. Y'all can you comment down in the comments down below what y'all believe. Does it sound reasonable or not? I don't know, but I'm gonna go ahead with it. I had a 2500 watt system installed in my car 2 years ago. I was fine for the first year and a half. No tinnitus, no noticeable hearing loss, but then one day my ear decided it couldn't take anymore. I now have a 24/7 burning pain in my ears and tinnitus that keeps me awake at night. I'm on the 24 and my life is completely derailed. I'm probably not going to ever have kids or get married due to this chronic pain and unbearable reaction to everyday sounds. I feel compelled to write this even though I might get downvoted. Please treat your hearing tenderly and don't play your music at a level where you cannot hear other than people's horns. Hear not, well, he said other, maybe he meant over. People's horns or police sirens. Take care of your ears. They're more fragile than you think. There's absolutely no limit to how badly you can damage your ears, and there are no cures. It can take a turn your existence into a living hell. I wrote this to get a message out there. If my warning can save one young man like myself's livelihood, then it would be worth it. I want to know what frequency he was playing. I don't know no other information than what I just read y'all. He said he had a 2500 watt system. He said he'll never have kids or get married due to this chronic pain. I don't know, you know, 2500 ain't that loud. I mean, it could be loud, but it sounds, me personally, when I hear stuff, all the demos I got, the thing that gets me is the loud doors, like as far as the doors or the stun walls or the horns, like the loud frequencies. I don't really get that from bass. It's just you can feel it, but you can't. It's not a thing that like it just rings the ears like a horn or like, you know, real high pitched sound. So that you know, I don't really know. But he said he may not he probably won't ever have kids to get married due to this. But my honest opinion on that, you know, if they letting that hold them back from a person marrying you or having kids with you, they might not be for you, you know, honestly. But, you know, that's to each his own, you know. If we're sick or worse or whatever it is when they say it. But when you get married, rich or poor, whatever the deal is, that's what they're supposed to be, and that falls in there. But anyway, that's not my business. But I'm just telling y'all what I'm reading right here. Let me know what y'all think. You know, I don't know. You know, it could be true. You know, I don't know. But y'all let me know what y'all believe down in the comments. Like I say, that's just a quick video, a quick question. I mean, I don't know what we're gonna call this series, but we're gonna do it like that. We're gonna keep it going. You know, we're gonna keep it going, man. We ain't gonna keep on going about this. But y'all let me know what y'all believe down in the comments. Let me know if y'all heard of this type of stuff. But hopefully it gets well or whatever the deal is. Y'all be sure to subscribe. I'll see y'all back on the next
equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.